Over the past couple of months, I've been working on refinishing and bringing this old dresser back to life. I picked it up from Facebook Marketplace for just 10 bucks. Started off as a blue dresser, I ended up sanding the whole piece down and staining the top a dark brown color and painting the remainder a light yellow color. I filled in the old hardware holes, and now it is finally time to get those new pieces of hardware into the dresser drawers. So in this video, I'm going to be focusing on drilling new holes for the dresser hardware. If you're new around here and this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome to the channel. My name is Garrett. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new video on a furniture project that I'm working on. So if you like furniture as much as I do, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel today. I want to thank you so much for watching, and let's get into this video.
You know, I don't even really know where to begin, because it seems like every time I get it, I end up going through.
See how we did.
So
Not bad.
I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean?
So I just found out that when I lay on my stomach on the floor doing this, it's actually a lot easier, a little bit more comfortable too. Wow, look at that. Look at this. This looks awesome. It's giving me beach house vibes. The soft yellow, a nice soft, smooth brown color. I'm impressed. This looks pretty good.